Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my favorite teacher. Ev- My favorite teacher. The person who teaches students in educational institution is a teacher. Almost everyone have a favorite teacher. I have a favorite teacher too. My favorite teacher's name is Uday Shankar Adhikari. He's our math teacher. He's our class teacher too. Um, he's very expert in our classroom. He never sits idly. Um, he teaches his students many ways. He teaches he teaches very simple method in and he teaches very simple method. In our classroom he performs his duty like a good actor. His body language is very attractive. Is anybody take a mistake, he never never give him any punishment to him. So he is my favorite teacher. I think every student like Uday sir. Have the teachers like Uday sir. Thank you to giving me some time.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।